Hello, welcome. Today let us have a problem based on applications of percentages. And today's problem is Rohan bought flour worth 750 rupees and spent 50 rupees on transport and packing. He sold 3/4 of it at a loss of 10% and the remainder at a gain of 10%. Find his gain or loss on the whole transaction. Okay, let us write what is given first. Rohan bought flour worth 750 rupees. That means cost of flour. How much? Not given. 750 rupees flour he bought. He spent on transport. We can write for that overhead charges. Okay, what amount is spent for transport and packing can be written as overhead charges 50 rupees. So, total cost price is 750 plus 50 rupees, that is 800 rupees. Okay, then there are two situations. In the first situation, he sold 3/4 of it at a loss of 10%. So let us do for first case. Cost price of 3/4 of flour. Total cost price 800 rupees. Cost price of 3/4 of 800 is 600 rupees. And 3/4 of the flour he sold at loss of 10%. So selling price, first case for 3/4 flour, 3/4 of the flour we are working out. Selling price is cost price minus loss. 600 is the cost price, 10% of 600 is the loss. So 600 into 1 minus 1 by 10 means 9 by 10. So we get 540 rupees is the selling price of 3/4 of flour. And the remainder means, that is the second case, remaining flour is out of one part, 3/4 is sold, remaining is 1/4 part. So cost price of 1/4 of flour equal to 1/4 of 800. That will be 200 rupees. Cost price of 3/4 of flour is 600 rupees. Cost price of 1/4 of flour is 200. Total 800 already we got. So let us find the selling price of 1/4 of flour. Okay, that implies. And the remainder at a gain of 10%. If cost price is 200, gain is place. 10% of 200, that is 200 into 11 by 10 gives you 220 rupees. So total cost selling price is, selling price of 3/4 of flour is 540 rupees. Selling price of 1/4 of flour is 220 rupees. Total selling price is 760 rupees. Here total cost price 800 rupees, total selling price 760 rupees. So selling price is less than cost price. That implies there is loss. If SP is less than CP, there is loss. If CP is greater than, if SP is greater than CP, there is profit. Loss. Our question is find his gain or loss on the whole transaction. That's why total selling price and total cost price we have taken. So there is loss we got. So loss equal to CP minus SP. CP is 800 rupees and SP is 760 rupees. That is 40 rupees. Therefore, there is a loss of 40 rupees on the whole transaction. On the whole transaction, that is the question asked. If you have to find the what, find profit or loss, find the loss percent, then you have to take as loss percent. You know that loss by CP into 100%. But in this question asked, find his gain or loss on the whole transaction. So there is loss of 40 rupees. Thank you.